What is going on, everybody? Charles here again. I'm gonna make a quick little video. I had a customer reach out to me earlier this morning. He has an M12AK-T1 and he said he's having a hard time getting the dust cover back on here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little video together, just kind of show how to make sure you have everything properly fit on there. It can be a little tricky if you've never done this before. I know the original M12AK, all you had to do was pretty much just slap the cover on there because it was a hinged design. This one is not, so let's get to it. Your carrier, pay very close attention to the orientation. Make sure it locks all the way in. And you actually push it down all the way. It's going to slide all the way forward. You're going to see right here, there's not going to be any gap. It's going to go all the way forward. You take your recoil assembly. What I find works best is to push this on here and then hold it downwards. As you slide this and lock it into place. Now this right here is the part that tends to trick a lot of customers. They normally just line it up right here and they try to close it. It won't close, but you're going to notice this little tab that's sticking out. Let's see if I can zoom in. There we go. So what you want to do is we'll make sure it lines up in here first, and then you're going to rotate it counterclockwise just a little bit. You can get that tab underneath that trunnion, and as you put pressure on it, you're going to push down. Let me zoom out. Give it a nice little thump. Sometimes you have to pull the bolt back and let it ride forward on its own. Oh, there we go. And as you can see, it's now in the groove properly. When you don't have that set correctly, man, you're not going to be able to get this dust cover to close. It's going to be a pain in the butt. You can't even rack it back. So again, if you have any other questions, something like this, if you call the shop up and I'm gonna have a hard time trying to explain it to you either over the phone or by pictures, I'll try to put together a quick little video. It's not just for stuff that we have here at the shop, but you know, any kind of issue that you're having with your shotgun, if it's able to be done, I'll make a video, I'll post it on there. Because I guarantee if you have a question, there's probably 15, 20 other people who are experiencing the exact same issues. So guys, by all means, don't be afraid to ask questions. If you have any, post them up there. I try to respond to them as quick as I can. Put a little video together for you guys. And as usual, stay safe. Enjoy.